Hey, hi guys. Okay, today we're going to edit my travel photos. Okay, these pictures was captured last year. Okay, this is how I'm going to do editing. Here we start with lighting first. Okay, try to adjust your exposure to not much, maybe around 15. Yeah, even though you can type or you can 1, 5 or 40, 15, anything nearby is around there. Contrast, you get contrast, make it -50. You can see it's slightly difference. Yes, okay, the highlight -9, around 90, maybe around 95. Yeah, okay, around 95. Shadow, okay, shadow you have to increase to 80. It's around 82, maybe around 89 or 90. Okay, white balance you plus to around 10 to 11. Yeah, wait, you can see that the photos are getting brighter, darker to the brighter. Black you at around 20, maybe around 27. Okay, so we go for done. You can see the difference on the lights. Okay, right guys. Okay, so we go for your colors. Okay, temperature you can make it to minus around 5 to 7. Tinted around 2, not much because the colors doesn't change. 5. Okay, vibrant around to around 60 to 70. Maybe you can put it 60. Okay, saturation can minus because the saturation maybe around 7. Yeah, okay, the color size changes. You can see the color changes. Alright, okay. Oh yeah, should go to see colors, go to, you can see like mix, go to the mix. Okay, here are the most important parts. You're going to change your whole picture's color. Okay, let's do this. Go to red, -13, sorry, -3, not much. And then your saturation -210. Sure. Okay, your orange -3, not much. 3, yeah, 3. Saturation you minus much, maybe around 18. Okay, 10 to 12, maybe 11 is okay. Okay, your yellow minus maybe around 20. Okay, yellow I got to reduce a lot to -65, around 18. Okay, go to green. Okay, this is one important. You increase your green, maybe around 82. Then saturation minus, because always I change my green, I don't keep my green. normal green. I change that to army green. Okay guys, around 10, so not too harsh. Okay, this is my sky blue. Increase maybe around 20. Yeah, you can see the concentrations. Saturation maybe around 50 to see the details. Maybe around 18. Okay, this is 70. Maybe increase a bit around to maybe 16 or 17. Saturation maybe around not much. 34 minus 1. Okay, and then it's my purple. Increase, put around 3 or 4, and saturation just a bit, not much. Then around 15. Back to the blue. We change it because you want different colors. 29. Okay, this one okay. Saturation increase around 12. Okay, that's just like okay, done. Okay, next we're going for effects. Okay, for here, clarity. So if you want to have image more, just increase a bit, maybe around 8. That should be fine. Okay, sharpness. Increase your image sharpness, maybe around 72. Okay, 72. Saturation one, yeah, it's auto. Sometimes you decide. Details, okay. Nice. Okay, noise. I can still can see a bit noise, so I'm going to increase the radius, maybe around 12. Okay, the details. Then color noise reduction, then we're going to put it around maybe around 10. Here, smoothness, like go to be 50. See, yeah, that's all. You can see now the color difference. I can show you before and after. This is before and after. This is how I edit my travel pictures. Hope you guys can follow this. Okay, the app is Lightroom. If you like, please share this video, and also don't forget to comment. If you're looking forward to any different editing, please comment.